Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so we have Tablescape Tuesdays and it's my favorite time of the week. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor, that's myself, and Amethyst Adventures. Now, this collaboration is held every single Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's all year round. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is normally freestyle, unless we have a guest. Now, what does freestyle mean? You can build up your tablescape and create it in any style, color, or theme and make it amazing. Now, normally when we have a guest, they get to choose the color, style, or theme. How fun is that? So with that being said, we do have a guest today on Tablescape Tuesdays, and her name is Antoinette Decorating. Now, Antoinette did choose a theme, and it's peacocks. Now, I'm going to be linking the hosts and the guests down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, guys. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, I'm going to be playing some music here as I continue decorating this tablescape, and I'll be in and out of the video. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Okay, now let's take a closer look at this beautiful tablescape. So the navy blue tablecloth and the turquoise one, that was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army. The boa along the back of the table, that came from Party City, and the candle holder that candle is sitting on, that came from Home Goods. Now, the picture that's sitting in the back with the two peacocks is absolutely gorgeous. That came from an Asian store local to me. Now it's time to look at the place setting. So the gold chargers, the clear plates, and those navy blue plates, they came from the Dollar Tree. Absolutely beautiful. Those blue wine glasses along with the water glasses, that came from the Salvation Army. They were thrifted items. Amazing. Now, those absolutely gorgeous gold napkins, they were a gifted item. And then the ties, that came from the Dollar Tree, guys. You won't believe how gorgeous this looks. Now you guys, if you haven't been over to Antoinette Decorating's channel, you must go over there and show her some love. Subscribe to her channel. You won't be disappointed. She has some absolutely beautiful home tours. That home is gorgeous. Now the utensils I got at Target. So I'm absolutely loving this tablescape, and I think it's time to head on over to the reveal. Now look at these beautiful roses. My son bought them for me for graduation. They are gorgeous. Thank you, son. I just want to take a moment and thank Antoinette Decorating for guest hosting in this collaboration. I so appreciate you. I'm absolutely loving the way this tablescape came out, and I hope that you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next week for Tablescape Tuesdays.